Media Mode Main Menu. Press the menu key to access the main menu. Then press Media to access the Media menu. This provides the following options. Source indicates the media source being played. It also allows you to select and play a different source. Selection provides access to the list of available titles. Settings provides access to the Media Settings menu. Repeat activates the option of repeating the titles at the same level as the title selected. Mix activates the option of randomly playing the titles at the same level as the title selected. Information on the performer and the song title is displayed on the central display. It is also possible to view the album cover and title. This information will depend on whether or not it is available in the media source data. Different media sources can be selected and played using the main media menu. Press the Source option to bring up the list of active media sources. The most common sources are CD or DVD, SD card, USB, Bluetooth audio, and auxiliary. USB connection. The vehicle may have a USB connection, depending on the equipment and the country. Data media can be connected here, including MP3 players, iPods, or USB memory sticks. This connection allows audio files on an external data medium to be played and managed through the infotainment system. Depending on the country and equipment, iPods, iPads, or iPhones can be connected by plugging the device's USB cable into the vehicle's USB port, so they can be used as audio sources. To eject data media connected to the USB port, access the System Settings menu and press the Remove Safely function button. Auxiliary connection. Depending on the equipment and the country, there may be an aux-in multimedia socket. Connecting the external audio source to the aux-in socket requires a suitable cable with a 3.5mm jack, which is inserted into the vehicle's aux-in socket. The connected external audio source is played over the vehicle speakers and cannot be controlled by the infotainment system controls. Bluetooth connection. To connect an audio source via Bluetooth, select the Source option and press the Audio BT option to bring up a list of devices that have this option enabled. With this connection, audio files from an external audio source connected by Bluetooth can be played over the vehicle speakers. The Bluetooth audio source must support the A2DP Bluetooth profile. The Bluetooth Audio A2DP or AVRCP function must be enabled on the Bluetooth Settings menu. Media Settings. From the main Media menu, press the Settings function button to access the Media Settings menu. This menu contains the specific settings for sound, activate or deactivate, mix or repeat, including subfolders option, Bluetooth, safe ejection of external data media, and switching on or off traffic news monitoring.